Hillary Clinton has suffered another coughing fit. The latest episode took place in front of reporters on her plane while flying to Iowa for a campaign stop. The sudden fit caused her to ask for water. She was handed a bottle, but she did not open it. A moment later, someone came with a glass from which she drank. The interview did not resume. It is painfully obvious that Hillary Clinton has a health problem. Yet Clinton continues to insist she has a clean bill of health. So either Clinton has an undiagnosed illness she should have checked out, or she is lying to the American people about her health. Thank you for watching our exclusive California Network Daily Briefing. Please subscribe to our channel and tell us how much you like our news in the comments below.